This will be the quick version of Welcome to Microscopy Australia. So I think part of how we consider the world is that if you want to think big, you've got to think small. And part of what we, I guess, do have a wonderful set of experts and instruments that allow us to really look at a full range of the world, of the universe actually, and looking at those structures to understand what they tell us about how the world actually functions. So for us, we get some gorgeous images that come off of our microscopes that unlock knowledge. And so, for example, that can include things like the blue circle in the middle is showing us atoms from a solar cell. The black and white one on the outside is then looking at fertilizer coatings. Then you move to the rainbow-coloured one where you're looking at advanced alloys. Then the next black and white one is looking at atoms out of a mine. And then the final one on the very outside is looking at a reconstruction of the COVID-19 spike protein. So I think part of what I'm trying to help you connect with is how powerful images can be across such a really broad range of application areas. So Microscopy Australia is an open access network. We are based at 9 different facilities around the country, and we also have links to our affiliated labs, which is another 9 laboratories where what we provide for the linked labs is more the professional development opportunities and networking connections, whereas at the facilities we're actually looking at technology investments and supporting staff that then provide that uplift in capability to support Australian researchers. Each year we're enabling that open access to over 250 instruments. It's a network of over 130 experts supporting somewhere between 3,500 to 4,000 researchers, around about 150 industry clients. One of the, as I've just talked about, that research community is really quite diverse between the geosciences, physical and material sciences, and the biological and medical sciences. One of the things that we have spent a lot of time doing, and something that we're really proud of, is our MyScope online training platform. These numbers are a little bit out of date. It says about 50,000 users per year. In the last 12 months, it was actually over 70,000 internationally. And MyScope really, I guess, is one of the ways that our facilities have come together to develop an online open access where it's the combination of theories and simulators and also assessment quizzes that have been developed by our experts to improve the learning outcomes of the next generation of microscopists, so that then that training that then they do within our facilities is accelerated. And there's a couple of quotes there from how it's been received internationally. So I'm delighted on behalf of all of Microscopy Australia to be progressing this conversation here. So I'll hand back over to Wojtek, who will tell you a little bit about National Imaging Facility.